Okay, good morning. Physics for engineers. Topic is dynamics. Video support. Padayon lang kita. So we have this number 5, 4.5. Two dogs pull horizontally on ropes attached to a post. The angle between the ropes is 60 degrees. Ini nga words nga horizontally, pareho nga level. Okay? If a dog and then the angle in between is 60 degrees. Find if a dog A exerts a force of 270 Newton, dog B exerts a force of 300 Newton. Find the magnitude, the resultant force, and the angle. So we have two problem: magnitude and the angle of the A. Adding a dog A. Maybe we can draw may niya pula igbaw. So kuan nala. Oy, wala man dumara. Ana ako na di. Kuan nala. Top view na top view. Top view, you have this is the pole, and then you have an dog A and dog B. So this is A and this is B. Dog A and dog B, and then the angle is 60 degrees. Ano ba't given dida? And then 270 Newton ang dog A. So that is equal to 270 Newton. And dog B is 300 siguro? 300 Newton. So the question is, ano kung ang angle of magnitude and imo resultant? So the resultant is somewhat, of course, here. Ano ito din the resultant. Another pakyan is ano ang imo angle hini nga A nga that resultant. Actually, mas maupay niya rotating axis. So maupay niya problem rotating axis. Rotation of axis, ibutang mo iton A ha. Hindi. And then dog B Control C. Yan, i-rotate mo hiya. Ngit may hinanabo. Naka 60 degrees din Tapos, animo dog B aadaha x-axis. Amit mga technique at mga rotation of axis. Anyway, na-rotate ka man lang axis. Di naman tiyagin lalabdan ni mo problem. Pero di ito permanent. May mga problem lang. Pwede naman sugaron para mas masaro sa yun. Kung di rin mag-rotate yung axis kasi, bagan madamot akon variable. So, kung mag-rotate akon axis, bagan maiibanan ko itatak variable. So, meaning, mas masaro sa yun. So, kung naka-rotate ako din ang axis, your resultant force is somewhat here. Okay? That would be your resultant force. Yan, imo pakiano dida iniyang angulo. At another question is, let's say that's alpha. So, kung naka-rotate kita ang axis, which A is 270 Newton, and dog B has 300 Newton. So, at aton Fy, summations of Fy is A lat magawas. So, summations of Fx is duha ra nga magawas. You have 300 Newton plus your 270 Newton and then cosine 60. So that would be our Fx. Our Fy would be kanan A. That is 270 Newton positive sine 60. So amol niya kadali So, pagkuhat magnitude, malaksi. So, we can get the magnitude R, or we can say summations of F. The summations of F, which is the magnitude, delta ng Lamonia vector. So, you have the square root of, diba, fx, that is summations of fx. So, x ngayon y. So, 300 Newton plus 270 cosine 60. Tanggalon na lang mga kuan. And then, plus, squared in here. This is the summations of fx squared. And this is the summations of fy. That is 270 sine 60 squared. So by that, simple. The problem would be simple. This is the summations of your fy, or your y component of your resultant force of the two dog. So that would be square root 300 plus 270 cosine 60 squared plus you have 270 sine 60 and then squared. So our answer for that is 494. So that would be a 494 in three significant figures, newtons. And then for the angle, of course, pwede ka makakuha ang angle ang imo r, ining angle ang ito makukuha kung nag-divide nimo ang imo y over x. So let's say that is beta, that is beta. So ibig sabihin imo angle alpha is equal to 60 minus beta. Now your beta is your arctan, ini nga y all over x. So minus arctangent ang imo y igbaw 270 sine 60 haubos is 300 plus 270 cosine 60. That will give you your angle. 60 minus arctan, you have 270 sine 60 and divided by 300 plus 270 cosine 60. And the answer is 31.7. 1.7 degrees. Okay, so that is problem 3.5. Thank you guys for listening.